Hey love, today I'll be unboxing and giving my initial review of these TONPE massage gun. So it says retro design. I don't know why. It is wrong spelling. Okay, so right now this is 69.99 in Amazon. So we're gonna go see if that is worth it. I love the box. So the box itself is super duper cute. Okay, now let's go ahead and open it. Oh, look at that. Look at the color, guys. Okay, so it comes with these manual. Very easy to understand, as you guys can see. It shows you what to do and what you can find in here, which is super nice. Okay, now and then it comes with different heads. Okay, one made out of quality materials, that is for sure. Okay, and this is the next one. Not sure what this is for, but we're gonna go find out what is that is specifically for once we start using it. And then this is the other one. I guess this is from the box. Okay, easy to clean at least. And now let's go see what kind of charger it uses. It is always important for me. Hopefully this is a USB-C. And it is. Look at that. That makes me very happy. Again, this is a $69.99 massager, mini massager. It's called mini massager because it's smaller. And I love the detail. Look at this. This is, oh, it's charged. I guess turn it off. Oh no. Okay, so, okay. Oh boy. Okay, press raw footage. Okay, so this is what it looks like, as you guys can see. This is metal, not plastic, and this feels really heavy duty. This is the first time I've seen this kind of massager, so that makes me happy. Quality wise, that makes $69.99 worth it. I love the look at this one here, a unicorn. And this is, I guess, the air where the power comes out, power button. And this is the port, the charging port. Okay, it uses a 5 volt to 2 amp battery capacity. Is what? It is 2400. Okay, now let's go ahead. So there is no battery indicator, which is a big bummer because I'd like to see how many more minutes is left. But now let's go ahead and try and press the button. Okay, so you guys can hear this is the sound of it. Pretty quiet, huh? So that's number one. And now number two. Trying to put it close to my mic. Okay, so that's number two. How many settings there is? Okay, so that's number three. You guys, it's not so loud. Okay, is there number four? Okay, there is none. So there is only 3 settings, which is okay, but oh my gosh, look at my skin. That's number one. Oh boy. Look at that, guys. Look. You guys can see that movement. That shows a lot. Okay. Okay, number 2. Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh. Okay, number 3. What is number? Okay, it is super powerful. I have owned a $200 massager, and this is by far a better one, and it's not noisy at all. And I love the look. Beside the look, oh my gosh. Okay, back to one, so you guys can see. It's like a slow motion, but it is not a slow motion, guys. It is exactly what my arm looks like right now. That is pretty impressive. If I have to judge these right now just for my initial review, I'm giving this a 5-star, the highest I can give on my channel. Okay, now let's turn it off. You have to hold the power button for about 2 seconds or 3, and it turns off. And again, this is the charging point. Oh my. Okay, let's go see how easy it is to change. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You just pop it up, pop it out, put back in. Very easy. Okay, so that is that. Again, that is a TONPE massage gun. I'm hoping I am pronouncing it correctly. These retails are for $69.99, and I am saying it is worth it. 5 star, buddy. Whoever is this company, you guys did an amazing job, and I love the look of it. It's so retro. If you guys are planning to give this to somebody this Christmas, she or he will gonna be so happy. This is worth the price. Alrighty, lovies. If you guys have any question, let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys have owned this product, let me know how long you have been using it and how much you guys love it or hate it. So I've learned much about it. And with that, I say thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, love.